Hey guys, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. And in today's video, I'm going to show how to cook chorizo meat, cherry mas, which is mostly relished with bread, pav, or pulao. This is famous in all Goan Catholic cuisine. So let's get started. For that, I've taken 1.5 kg of pork meat. This pork meat require at least a half inch of a fat in that. So with the fat, it gives you better texture and better taste as well. So check the meat how to cut. Once you cut, you have to wash, apply salt, look at the size. This is what we are looking for. Also note that we do not need skin in this. I've already removed the skin and only the fat, half inch of a fat, I have kept it together with the meat. Once you apply salt, you add it in the muslin cloth and you have to hang it. Also note that it should be a little bit on the saltier side, the meat. Nicely tie and keep on pan below so it doesn't drip on the floor, and hang it and keep it overnight. This is the way it should be. So the very next day, let's start grinding the masala. I've taken 1.5 pot of garlic peeled, ginger 1.5 inch, turmeric powder half a teaspoon, cinnamon stick 2 inch, cloves 10 inch, black peppercorn 1 tablespoon, cumin 1 teaspoon, red chillies 12 inch, Kashmiri chillies 8 inch, vinegar 3/4 cup. Guys, check this out. This is the brine what came out from the pork. Put it in a separate bowl. Check out this. This is already dry now. Now we have to add masala and mix it. Check this out. The masala, what you have to do is don't grind it to a very fine paste. Check this out. This is how it should be, roughly grind. But make sure all the spices are nicely ground. Marinate with the masala and keep it for 24 hours so that it is well marinated. Guys, I have used toddy vinegar in order to grind the masala. Those who cannot get toddy can also use white, and better option I would prefer malt vinegar. This is the procedure if you want to keep for days in a glass airtight container and in a refrigerator. You can cook and consume whenever needed. This is the way it should be. Now what you have to do is keep a pan, add all the meat in that, saute it. I do not add any water in this. 1 tablespoon of sugar and 3 medium chop onion. Vinegar, add little bit in a blender jar, pass through it, and you can add that also without wasting your masala from the jar. Just saute it. Let it be on a slow, very slow range, and keep stirring it in between so it doesn't get stuck at the bottom. Look at this, how beautiful it looks as our cherry sauce is getting ready now. If you like my recipe, please do like, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Hit the notification bell for more interesting recipes. Now cover this and cook it on a very slow range. Meanwhile, you keep stirring it so it doesn't get stuck at the bottom, and cook till it dries up. This is how chorizo is made. Check this lovely color, the texture. This is how it should be. And this is not catching the original color because of the camera and the smoke. Check out this. This is how chorizo is made, guys. Watch the video carefully without skipping any part. You can make this at home and enjoy chorizo with bread, poi, or pav, whatever you call. Thanks for watching my video and God bless you all. Thank you very much.